What's up everybody, it's Ishan and this is another video on Brain School. So today's video is another tutorial on solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I already made one video on solving this cube, but it did not come out as great as I expected and it was pretty difficult to understand. So here is the new and improved tutorial on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So now that the cube is scrambled up, let's get started. The first step of solving this cube is making the white cross. So let's flip to the white side and put that on the top. What you want to do is solve this white cross, and you also want the edges aligned to the proper centers. So what you want to do to start this off is look at the bottom layer and see if you can find any edge pieces with white on them. You don't want the corner pieces. These have the three sides, but you want the edge pieces. You move it around the bottom and align it to the correct center, as shown here, because this is the red center and the red edge piece. And then turn the front face 180 degrees, and there you go. It is now aligned with the white center and the red center. Now, there are two tricky cases you can have. It's just a simple fix around it though. You can have it where you have one edge piece like this and you align it with the color and then you make the 180 degree rotation. But as you see, these two pieces need to be flipped. So what you can do now is turn the front face clockwise and then turn the top to the right. Just put this edge piece up into it and put everything back, and now you see that this edge piece is in properly. And another case you can have is that there's just no edge pieces left on the bottom, in which case you could always just bring the edge piece down, and since it's aligned to the proper center, I'll make a full 180 degree rotation. Now you see that I just need to flip it, so I'll bring it down, turn this clockwise, bring it up, and put it back in. Now you see the white cross is complete. Now the next step is putting the corners into their correct spot and finishing off the first layer. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to find a corner piece this time, the pieces with three colors, and you want to put it into its correct spot. In this case, the colors are, this is a white corner, and I want to look at the two other colors, the orange and the green. Find those centers, the orange and the green, and put the corner in between of them. Then you perform this algorithm. Bring the right side down, move the bottom layer to the left, bring the right side up, and move the bottom layer to the right. You might have to keep doing this algorithm. You can get lucky like me and get it in on the first try, but you might have to keep doing this algorithm to get the corner in. Perform this with all of the corners. This corner has the orange and blue two colors, so I'll put it between the orange and the blue and perform the algorithm. Right side down, bottom layer to the left, right side up, bottom layer to the right. Keep doing that algorithm until the piece is in. There you go. Now this corner piece is in. Now let's do it for the next one. This corner piece has green and red, so I will put it under the green and red centers and perform the algorithm. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. There you go, now that corner is in. And this is already in place, so we'll do the algorithm. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Keep doing that algorithm now, and until the cube's first layer is fully solved. Now you see that the first layer is completely solved. The next step is solving the second layer by putting the correct edges into the second layer. So to start off, what you want to do, since the bottom color is yellow, you want to find all the edge pieces that don't have yellow as a color. For example, this one has yellow on it, so it will not go into the second layer. So you find one of the edge pieces without yellow. For example, I found the green and orange one. What you want to do is you want to look at the color that's facing you and align it with the proper center. Then, look at the second color. My color is orange, and the orange is on the left side. So I will move it to the opposite side, which is the right side, and then bring the opposite side down. I bring the left side down, and then now I move that edge piece back and lift it up. Now you see I have messed up the first layer, so now we want to bring this corner back into the correct spot. So just move the bottom layer away, bring the right side down, and put this in, put it all back, and now you see this edge piece is in properly. Do that with all the remaining edge pieces. You see here is the green and red one. The red one is center is on the right side, so I will move it to the left, bring the right side down, and put the edge piece back. Now I need to put the corner back in, so the first layer is solved and the edge is effectively put in. So I will move it away, bring the left side down, put it back in, and solve the first layer again. And now you see this edge is in properly. Let's do it for the next one as well. This is the blue and red edge piece, and the red is on the left side, so we will move it to the right, bring the left side down, and put the edge back. Now you want to put this corner back in, so move it away, bring this down, and put it all back, and now this edge is in. Now I'll just do this for the last one. And there you go. Now the second layer is solved. The next step of solving this cube is solving the yellow cross on the third layer. So now let's flip around the cube. As you see, I have this dot on the top. There are 4 cases you can have. You can have this dot like I do, you can have an L shape, you can have a line, or the best case scenario is that you have the plus already solved. So if you have the dot, you can start however you want on any side, it doesn't matter. But if you have the L, you want one leg facing towards you and one facing towards your right. If you have the line, you would want to hold it horizontally. And if you have the plus, don't worry about it, you already have it solved. So since I have a dot, I'm just going to start here. The algorithm is front face clockwise, right side up, top layer to the left, right side down, top layer to the right, and then the front face counterclockwise. Now you see I have this L-shaped thing. I will have one leg facing me and one leg facing my right, and repeat the algorithm. Front face clockwise, right side up, top layer to the left, right side down, top layer to the right, and then the front face counterclockwise. As you see, now I have the line. Let's hold it horizontally, repeat the algorithm. Front face clockwise, right side up, top layer to the left, right side down, move the top layer back to the right, and finally turn the front face counterclockwise. Now, as you see, the yellow cross has been solved. The next step is aligning the cross with its correct centers. Now, what you want to do is you want to turn around the layer and you want to see when 2 of the edges match up as shown here. If the 2 edges are like this, right next to each other, you want to hold the correct edges away from you and on your left. And then perform this algorithm. Bring the right side up, turn the top layer to the left 2 times, bring the right side back down, turn the top layer to the left, top layer to the right once, bring the right side back up, turn the top layer to the right, and put it back. Then you just want to turn the top layer to the right once more, and you see that the edges are properly aligned. Now there is one more case that I'm going to show right now. The second case you can have is that when you turn it around, the 2 pieces are opposite from each other. In this case, you'll just have to do the algorithm 2 times. So what you want to do is bring the right side up, turn the top layer to the left 2 times, bring the right side back down, turn the top layer to the right, bring the right side back up, and turn the top layer to the right once more. Put this down, and now you see that the 2 correct colors are right next to each other, and the 2 unsolved colors are right here. So hold the correct colors on your left and away from you, and repeat the algorithm. Right side up, top layer to the left 2 times, 1, 2. Bring the right side down, turn the top layer to the right once. Bring the right side back up, turn the top layer to the right, and put the right side down. Then you will just turn the top layer to the right, and now you see that all the edges are properly aligned. The next step is you want to put the corners in their correct spots. So the first thing you want to do is to look around and see if you have any of the corners in the right spots. As it is shown here, I do. I have the orange, yellow, and green corner piece right between the yellow, green, and orange centers. So what I will do is I will hold that on the bottom right corner. If you don't have any corner pieces to start off, you can just start from anywhere, but since I do, I will hold it on the bottom right corner and perform this algorithm. Left side up, top layer to the left, right side up, top layer to the right, left side down, top layer to the left, right side down, top layer to the right. Now you see that my corners are still not in the correct spot, except for this one. So I will just repeat the algorithm again. Left side up, top to the left, right side up, top to the right, left side down, top to the left, right side down, top to the right. And now, as you see, all of my corners are in the correct spot. If you started off with no corners, you might have to do this step one more time to get your corners all in the right spot. The final step of solving the cube is orienting the corners and effectively solving the cube. So you want to check how many of the corners are not properly oriented. And then you can see what you need to do. There can be many different possibilities. You can have 3 different corners that are not properly oriented, or you can have 2 that are across from each other. You can have 2 that are in front of each other, or you can have all 4 corners not oriented. If you have 3 like I do, you want to hold one on the bottom right corner and 2 of them away from yourself. If you have 2 that are across from each other, over here and over here, you want to hold one of them on the bottom right corner and the other one on the top left. And if you have 2 that are in front of each other, you can hold, if you have 2 that are in front of each other, you can hold them on the right side. And if you have all 4, you want to hold 2 of them on the right side and 2 of them on the left side. So since I have 3 of them, I'm going to hold them like this and do the following algorithm. Right side up, bottom layer, top layer to the left 2 times, right side down, top layer to the right once, right side up, top layer to the right once more, and then bring the right side down. Now you see I have to do the left side with the same thing. Bring the left side up, the top layer to the left 2 times, bring the left side down, move the top layer to the left again, bring the left side up, and move the top layer to the left and bring the left side down. Now I have 2 that are right in front of each other, so I will hold them on the right side. Now there's 2 cases when you have 2 that are right in front of each other. The top color can be on the front and the back, or it can be on the sides. If it's on the sides, that means you just need to do the algorithm that I just showed only once. But since it's on the front and the back, I will have to do it 2 times. So I will bring the right side up, move it to the left 2 times, right side back down, move it back to the right, bring the right side up, move it in, and bring it down. Now I will do it on the left side. Left side up, top layer to the left 2 times, bring the left side down, move the top layer to the left, bring the left side back up, put it in, and put the left side back down. Now it's on the sides, so I will do the algorithm one more time. Bring the right side up, move the top layer to the left 2 times, bring the right side down, move the top layer to the right, bring the right side up, put it in, and bring the right side down. I will bring the left side up, move the top layer to the left 2 times, bring the left side down, move the top layer to the left once more, bring the left side up, put it in, and solve the cube. That is it on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just write it down in the comments. And make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you know when I'm going to drop my next video. You see this cool puzzle over here? It's probably what I'm going to make my next video on. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and that's it for Brain School.